Today I'm going to show you how to create a dropshipping e-com store with winning products in less than 15 minutes. And the reason why this is possible is because Lovable and Shopify dropped a collab, and they have a feature where you can create Shopify stores just by prompting. The reason why this takes 15 minutes is because I have a blueprint prompting structure that I'm going to share with you in this video, which means that you're going to save hours of time when creating these kind of stores. First, we got to think what kind of niche we got to create the store for. What I suggest is that pick a niche where you can test products very easily. In this case, I'm going to pick something related to women's fashion because women buy a lot of things online, especially if it's something related to apparel and fashion. So you can do whatever you want. You can do these mini gadgets or toys or whatever. But I do suggest that fashion is the niche to go with because it's something that is working currently pretty well. So let's see. Let's look at some category here. Probably we can already choose a category. I'm gonna go with V-neck pullovers. So this is the category here. I'm gonna probably ask it to create a website only for V-neck pullovers. So what this enables is that you can decide a niche and then you can decide a sub niche below that. The more specific your store is to cater a specific audience, the easier it is for you to test products in that specific niche. So I'm gonna ask it to create a store for products on this exact page. Let's see how it does the job. Go to AliExpress is the best place to find products to drop ship. So go here, choose a category, pick the link and add it to Lovable and ask it to create a store. The store is ready now. Let's see, is Lovable cooking or not? Whoa, this is a good hero banner. The first thing, timeless elegance. Well, it didn't add the products, but that's fine because that's the next step. We're gonna ask it to add the products here. It looks like a pretty good landing page. There's the shopping cart too. Let's add the products. What I want to do now is that I'm gonna go to AliExpress. I'm gonna sort it by orders so that I can see which ones are currently trending and which ones are in demand. So this is one product. I'm gonna take this product here. I'm gonna take the link. I'm just gonna paste it to Lovable and ask it to add the product. The product has been added now. Let's refresh and let's see. It generated a random image, so it didn't take the image from the actual page. So let's fix that. Let's take a screenshot of the image and then let's ask it to replace the image. So let's do that. Okay, this is a new one, so it doesn't fetch the image by itself. It used a random PS5 image. We need to ask it to add this image over here. So I'm just gonna take a screenshot of the image and ask it to replace the image. Now the image is replaced. Let's refresh the page and there you go. The image is replaced. The product lift up looks really good. There's the image, there's the size, color, and then let's add a bit of other products. Let's, for example, add this one here. So I've added the V-neck with the red shirt. Now I asked it to add the product and the image. It somehow added it 3 times. Let me fix that. I think that's because I approved the database request 3 times. So you need to just allow it once. Now I fixed it. Now there's 2 images. Let's add 2 more images so that it's complete. Let's take something that's not only trending but that looks good. With dropshipping you also have to think about like what can be the next big thing, not only what's trending right now but what can be the next big thing. In addition to testing products that are doing well right now, it's also good to test products that might do well in the future. So I like this one. Let's add this to the store. So the thing here is that always remember to add the link to the product, but also attach the image image to the product. And if you want to add more images, just attach more images there. So now we have it. We have that product right here. Looks good. We have 4 products to test. Really nice. I want to change the logo a bit. It's maybe too generic. Let's change the logo. Let's ask it to make it uppercase and more elegant. And also let's ask it to create an about us section and a contact section, because that's also really important to, increase credibility and trust in your dropshipping store. There you go. That logo looks way better now. It looks more elegant. It looks like a better store with just one change in the logo. I have 4 products to test here. I have a really good looking logo. I have a good looking design, about us and contact section. I have product pages that work well. I can add to cart. I have the shopping cart that works well. Checkout with Shopify. I can, start accepting payments when I claim this Shopify store. So the next step is to just claim the Shopify store. Normally it's like €1, $1 per 3 months. Enough time to test these products out, test this store out. And this is just done in under 15 minutes. The next step would of course be to start advertising these products on Meta, on TikTok, PMax, and then just find the winning products. And someone might ask that you haven't connected to the AliExpress backend. That's definitely something that you can also do. But at this point, you don't need to do that because you're just testing these products. When you find the winning product, then you're set. You're like, okay, I need to scale this up and I need to connect it directly to AliExpress using Deezers or some other platform. But at this point, you're just testing the product. You don't need to connect it to your supplier at the moment. It works well on tab. It works really well on mobile. The mobile thing I think is the most important one, so it really looks well, and I'm kind of impressed about this Lovable Shopify collab because it turned out to be really good. What do you think? Comment below. If you want the exact prompts that I used for this app, comment winning in the comment section and I will send you the prompt. And if you're interested in these kind of building videos, check out this video when I'm creating a virtual try-on app. Happy building.